If you're seeing an error when uploading files in Monday.com, don't worry, this is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest steps to troubleshoot the problem, so you can get your files uploaded again without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Let's jump right in. The first thing to do is refresh the page. Sometimes the upload issue is just a temporary loading problem, and a quick refresh can clear it right away. After refreshing, try uploading the file again and see if the error is gone. If it still doesn't work, the next thing to check is your internet speed. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt file uploads and cause Monday.com to throw an error. Open your browser and search for speed test, then run a quick internet speed test. Make sure your connection is stable and that your upload speed is strong enough for the file you're trying to send. If your internet looks fine, the next step is to check Monday.com's file limits. Not every file type or file size may be supported, depending on the column settings or account restrictions. Go to your Monday.com board, find the Files column, and make sure the file you're uploading is within the supported size and format. If the file is too large, try compressing it first. If the file type is unsupported, convert it to a compatible format and test again. Once you've checked the page, your connection, and the file limits, try the upload one more time. In many cases, one of these 3 steps will solve the issue immediately. If the file still won't upload, you may want to try a different browser or clear your cache, but the main fixes are refresh, test your internet, and verify the file size and type. These quick checks solve most Monday.com upload errors and get your workflow moving again. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.